Today I'll show you how to quickly block out a stylized 3D game character using only the skin modifier. But before we start, a quick life update. Remember my last tutorial where I joked about my laptop melting? Well, it actually happened. While editing this video, the GPU on my MacBook Pro literally burned out and died. So right now I am rendering this on an ancient 2012 iMac. If you want to support the channel and help me get a new PC, I've put the project files on my Gumroad, link in the description. Now, back to the magic. Today we are sparing the default cube's life. Let's be eco-friendly. In edit mode, select all, press M, and merge at center. Add a skin modifier. Oh look, the cube is back. The king is dead, long live the cube. Extrude the vertex up, E plus Z. Add a subdivision modifier. Enable smooth shading in the skin modifier, and set the bottom subdivision levels to 2. Boom. You just made a parametric capsule. Every game character starts with a capsule, right? Let's divide our single edge, Ctrl plus R, to add a couple of points. By using our magic spell Ctrl plus A, we can scale the radius to smoothly turn this capsule into a rounded cylinder. Congratulations, you just built the perfect base for our robot. Next, let's create a circle mesh with 4 vertices. Add the exact same modifier sandwich. Adjust the thickness, and you have a perfect procedural donut without any add-ons. Press Ctrl plus A. This lets you scale the thickness of the skin modifier. Press X or Y to scale it non-uniformly. Now we have our 2 universal Lego pieces, the cylinder and the donut. Let's build our robot. By the way, why is it called Blender? Is it a cooking reference? Let me know in the comments. I'm designing this character for a puzzle survival game concept, where button characters have to survive in a world of electricity, choosing which switches to press. Have any cool ideas for this game? Drop them in the comments. For the arms and legs, I want them to look like thick electrical cables. To save time, always use the mirror modifier. Just pick the robot's body as the mirror object. Notice how I'm building him in a perfect T-pose. This is the crucial first step for game dev. It sets us up perfectly to merge the parts, retopologize, and rig him later. Speaking of games, what game engine do you guys prefer to use for your projects? Unity, Unreal, Godot? Let me know in the comments. For the eyes and shoes, I'm using my favorite lazy method. In edit mode, just duplicate a vertex, Shift plus D, and press P to separate it. Now your new object already has the entire modifier stack perfectly set up. Time for the hands. I'm making him 3-fingered, like exposed wires from a cable. Any electricians watching this? If your geometry breaks here, don't panic. Just remember the golden rule. Select the outer vertex and hit Mark Loose. Our robot needs a place to stand. I'll just copy the button from his head and turn it into a pedestal. If you made it this far into the video, you are about to see the true power of the modifier sandwich. Watch closely. By simply moving the first subdivision modifier up or down the stack and changing it from simple to Catmull-Clark, we can completely change the hard surface shape of this pedestal. It's basically procedural modeling without geometry nodes. Play around with this, it's mind-blowing. Let's add some screws. And give him some eyebrows so he can show emotions. And there we have it, a complete stylized character concept built from scratch using just single edges. It's the perfect base to retopologize and bring to life. Check out my Gumroad in the description to get the project files, and let me know what we should build next. Don't push the wrong buttons, and I'll see you in the next one.